Dude, I'm telling you right here, this is the chef special today, bluegill with a side of rice. We made it back to the spot where we're gonna cook this bitch up. We got the fish posted up right there. And then Shinji, walk us through all the goods we have.
First off, 11-inch heavy gauge non-stick ceramic griddle. Perfect for frying fish. I would know. I've done it a lot. Can't forget Merman's Revenge. VT, steamed, filtered, perfectly sticky rice. Serves 2 people.
There's 2 of us. So next, bros, we're gonna go get some fucking wood to build a fire. And then we'll check back in once we got the fire rolling. Let's start this fire, bro. Get like a whole bunch of dry shit and you kindle it up. And this is how you start the fire. But we got a whole bunch of these small twigs. And we're about to get this bitch going. That was easy as fuck. Yeah, now we're cooking with some peanut oil. Okay, we're about to clean this fish now. It's not a big fish at all, so all we're gonna do is just descale it and then fucking chunk that whole bitch up on the grill. And how we're going to descale it is we're just going to rub the back side of this knife on the back of it like this. And that's it, bro. We're ready to rock and roll. Next up, we're going to season this bad boy. Come on down, Chinsey. Do you want to season it?
Sure.
A little bit of sand never hurt nobody. All right, we got some coals going now, so we're gonna throw this freaking pan down on this bitch, bro. Just like that. Apply some cooking spray, but we're gonna let this puppy cook. Do you think it's gonna be good?
Yeah, fuck yeah. Look what we're doing on a fucking Thursday, dude.
Dude, I'm telling you right here, this is the chef special today, bluegill with a side of rice.